Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Locket Rewind app. So let's get started. So to use that, you have to follow this easy step. So here you have to go to the search bar and search for the Locket app. Okay, from here, and from here you have to sign in into your account. Okay, so basically I don't have, then I can just create the account. So we'll just create account. So from here I have to tap my email id, type my email id. Just to continue, just create a password of your uh, okay, then here you can just write a first name and then second name, and from here you can just invite your friends from the other apps too. And then after that you have to continue, and you can just add the widget, and after that you can recap into the app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.